Turbospoke, the bicycle exhaust system. Hey, wouldn't it be awesome if you could make your bike look and sound like this? Well, now you can with Turbospoke. Turbospoke fits to any kind of bike and makes it look and sound like a real motorbike. Turbospoke includes everything to totally transform your bike. It fits in just 5 minutes and comes with 15 custom stickers. There's no need for batteries because the sound comes from the moto card. Each kit contains 3 cards for 3 different sounds. The megaphone exhaust pipe not only looks cool, it really amplifies the sound.